Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie, a mixed media textile artist. Now I know I've been AWOL for a little while, but sometimes life just gets in the way and you just deal with it. But even though I've been AWOL, I have not been a total slacker. In this video, I want to share some of the fabrics that I've been working on. So let's start with this piece. Right now it's approximately 18 by 18, but I will be cutting it down to 12 by 12 inches to submit it to a show that I'm participating in. This is on black rayon, and I just love all of the beautiful extra colors you pick up when resting on this rayon. There's some beautiful grays and greens in there, and I've also started adding some stitching around the edges. I will be adding lots more stitching, and I will come back in the interior and even add some stitching. I'm thinking about picking up that gray-green color on the interior with some stitching. Working with the rayon is something new for me, but I'm really loving the beautiful tones and extra colors that I get that I don't get with the cotton. So right now I'm leaning toward making the rayon my fabric of choice when resting on black. The rayon isn't as black as the cotton, but I just love those extra colors you get that I don't get on the cotton. Now this next piece is one of my smaller rusty circles. This is a 6-inch circle, and it's also done on the black rayon. I'm really loving working with this rayon. So I printed this on the rayon. As I said, it's a 6-inch circle, and as you can also see, I have some of those beautiful gray and greenish tones on the circle. After rusting this piece, I came back with one of my textured silk screens and screen printed over it with some rusty tone paints. Now I usually do this first, but I got anxious and I didn't get it done, so I came back and did it afterwards. And it doesn't really seem to make a difference. I like it both ways. I do intend to do some hand stitching on this one, just like the larger one, using some of those golden rusty tones, and I will pick up that grayish green color in the interior of the circle. I hope this comes out the way I envision it, because if it does, it will be a beautiful piece. Now this final piece is very similar to the second one. It was actually rested at the very same time. When I rested it, I had one piece of fabric under the circle and one piece of fabric on top of the circle. And I really like doing that because you get a different impression depending on whether the fabric is under the circle or on top of the circle. Again, we have some grayish green tones, and I came back and screen printed over the piece just like I did the previous one. Well guys, that's it for this video. It's short and sweet. I just wanted to share a few things that I've been doing with you, and I hopefully won't go AWOL anytime soon. I'm so glad you stopped by to visit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, ring that bell, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss any new videos I upload. I hope to see you back here again sometime soon, but until then, have a beautiful day. Bye bye now.